Hey everybody, I'm Mariah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a room tour. I was looking through my videos to try and get some inspo, and I watched my old room tour and my room is completely different. I got wood floor and all that, so I wanted to show you what it looks like now. Let's just start with the door in this corner. So this is about as far a wide angle as I can get, but here's an overview. My room is pretty small, so it'd be a quick little room tour. Alright, so we just walked in right there. There's my door. Some lights up here. So over here, I have a mirror. You can't really see that. I'll show you an overview. And then I have these little heart mirrors my mom got me for my birthday. I have my little Polaroid picture wall right here. And then I got this blue hat hanger from Ross. I just hang up all my hats. So yeah, that is this little section. Oh yeah, you can't see the mirror. Moving on to the little corner, I got my mirror. I need to put a quote in here, that's for sure. Let me just get you guys a little closer. Here's my vanity. So you walk in the door and first thing you see is my vanity. Do a little up close for you guys. Oh. Vanity, and then I have this light up box. It has no batteries in it and I could plug it in. I just don't really bother with it, but I need to put a picture right here. I have some lights, more lights, and then a little picture. What does that say? I'm pretty sure this is from like Big Lots or something. My mom bought it for me. My mirror's from Walmart. These little mirrors are from Walmart. So after like the vanity and the lights, I have my closet and I have my table. I just have some flowers, a picture I got from the Goodwill, some rocks to hold it up, some candles. So yeah, that's what that corner looks like. I promise after this video I will change this. I wanted to say don't give up or something like that. So I got some more pictures. Just did a whole collage. I actually got most of these pictures from the Dollar Tree, like this one. Yeah, I got this one, and this one, and this, all from the Dollar Tree. And then these were also just canvases from the Dollar Tree, and I did that like water thing. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, so this one and these two pictures are from Ross. I have my closet, dresser, laundry, and then shoes back there, all of that. After this little section, I call that just is my bed, and I've had that there for a while. And then I have more lights, and actually my boyfriend hung those up for me, little shelves. My mom got me those for Christmas. So yeah, here's my bed. I have a lot of pink going on in here, so I thought a splash of blue would really help. Here's an overview of my bed. I have also a little bookshelf thing right there. Let me just take you guys off my tripod. You guys okay? My sister actually gave me this Victoria's Secret blanket. It's really soft and really cute. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Oh, my boyfriend made me this. There's or live mountains of love. My little bookshelf. My dad got me this, and then I just have a picture of me and my dad. This was my cousin's wedding. And then I have another picture of me and my dad. Sorry about that lighting. And then yeah, just some random stuff. This is my important folder. Like I have birthday cards, just letters, stuff like that. And then just a bunch of stickers and stuff. After my bed and bookshelf area is the last little corner, which might be my favorite. A little overview. So here's my last little corner. I'm on my bed. my nail polishes, my clips, Polaroid. I have a box of Sharpies. Boxes that I like to make jewelry. These have jewelry in them. This has stuff to make jewelry in it. So those are little boxes if I want to gift some to anybody. Then here's the top. Some candles. They smell amazing. And then I got my plants. I love plants. My rings. My jewelry box. More plants. So yeah, and then I have just like my calendar, more, just another collage. Oh yeah, I made this for my boyfriend. Oh yeah, here's a little overview. So here's that corner. Oh, and my TV, and then my Xbox with the gaming stuff set up. So it's my room, guys. I love it. It's so cute. Personally, I love it. To me, it's cute. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and then in my window, I love these. In the morning when I open this up, it makes like rainbows. So yeah. So room tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is my first video in quarantine. Like, I haven't left the house in a while. The only time to leave the house, we leave the house, is like to get what we need. So yeah, I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe out there. And just try to keep your mind off of everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.